About a year ago, I wanted to figure out how to make bread without perishable items like milk or eggs. My first batch came out okay, but it didn't hold together too well. It was a little crumbly, but it was alright. Recently, I was thinking about how to make an improvement so it would hold together. And I finally came up with an ingredient that'll work or makes it better. The ingredient I discovered was cornstarch. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put together ingredients for a simple little bread. It's a modified version of cornbread, but I'm not using any cornmeal. I'm just using flour for this because what I want to do is make a bread so I can have like a pizza bread. The first ingredient I'll use is a cup of flour. The next ingredient I'll use is about 1/8 a cup of sugar. The next ingredient will be a tablespoon of salt. The next will be a tablespoon of baking powder. The next will be some yeast. I don't fill up the tablespoon all the way. The next will be a tablespoon of cornstarch. The next will be a 1/4 cup of oil. Since I'm not using milk, I'll be replacing that with water. It's a cup of water. Next, I'll just mix it up. I got a little pan here, so this is where I'm putting it. I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. I'll let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. I wound up cooking the bread for 45 minutes, and since I plan on using this bread for a pizza bread, I'll cut the top off so there's a flat spot for the toppings. Alright, now let's see how it breaks. See, it holds together fairly well. Can almost let it go here. But you can see it's not crumbly like some of my earlier batches. The cornstarch made a difference. Unfortunately, I didn't check the video when I made the last clip, so you can see here the bread, how I broke it apart. It didn't show in the last clip, but you can see it still holds together, and I just broke it in half. And here's the end result I was going for. So that's it, folks. Time to eat.